Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these yummy and easy corn dogs, so let's get started with the video. Begin by drying off 5 to 8 hot dogs. Next, insert a wooden skewer into each of the hot dogs. If you're making these for children or other people, I suggest using semi-pointed skewers so nobody accidentally hurts themselves while eating the corn dogs. Once you have finished preparing the hot dogs, set them to the side. Next, in a bowl, add 3/4 cup of cornmeal, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your dry ingredients to the side. In another bowl, add 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Then whisk everything together until smooth. Once you finish making your batter, it should look like this. After making the batter, add vegetable oil to a pot or deep fryer. Then heat the oil up to 350 degrees. Next, pour the batter into a tall, skinny glass. Then dunk the hot dog in the batter and swirl it around until the hot dog is completely coated. Once your hot dog is completely coated, gently and slowly take it out of the batter. By the way, if you're having trouble getting the batter to stick to the corn dog, simply coat the hot dog in flour and then dip it into the batter. The flour should make the batter stick to the hot dog a lot better after that. After coating your hot dog, place it in the oil to fry. When you're placing the corn dog into the oil, place it top first while turning the corn dog and carefully drop it in. Fry the corn dog for around 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. While the corn dog is frying, use tongs to rotate it so that the corn dog has an even color on all sides. Once the corn dog has finished frying, take it out of the oil and place it on a wire rack. Repeat this process with the rest of your corn dogs. Once you finish making your corn dogs, you can go ahead, add your toppings, and enjoy. Now, if you want to take your corn dogs up a notch, you can make chili cheese corn dogs. All you have to do is take the skewer out of the corn dog, then cut a slit in the middle of the corn dog. Open the corn dog up a bit and then add some chili. After adding the chili, add a sprinkle of cheese and then place it in the oven or microwave until the cheese melts. And this is the finished result! These corn dogs were absolutely delicious. They tasted just like the corn dogs you would eat at a carnival. Also, you can place any of your leftover corn dogs in the freezer and save them for later. When you're ready to eat them again, just heat them up in the microwave, oven, or air fryer. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!